Okay guys, so today I was feeling kind of inspired and I wanted to like try something new, try something I haven't done before, and I was like, what can we do? So I don't know if like I've been very into watching beauty community videos lately, watching beauty gurus or whatever, and cool. And I don't know, like I want to try it out, you know, see like what I can do with it. I know I mentioned in a previous video that I'm not good at makeup, which I'm not, but like I can still try it, you know. I just want to see what it is. And you're probably gonna watch this and be like, what, like she didn't even blend anything, like why is her eyeshadow like that, like all this stuff. And like you're right, you're gonna be correct, but I don't see why not, you know. So let's just jump into it. And I've never done this before, but I don't know, let's try it. And then don't expect me to have like any tape heart, I don't know what it's called, any like expensive makeup, okay? We do expensive drugstore, but we don't do any like Huda Beauty, or you know, like if you want that stuff, you want that Gucci, you want all that, you can go to Different Stars channel, because we cheap over here, we on a budget. And then you see, oh god, these are terrible. You see that I already did my eyebrows off camera, because I'm not coming on camera without eyebrows. I don't want to scare anyone. So, you know, I saved you the hard part of watching, and now it'll be my eyebrows. So first we're going to use this primer, which I actually have never used before. Yeah, new background, on campus, or not on campus. This is my apartment. Okay. It's cold. It feels like a mask. I don't know what I'm gonna go for. Okay. Maybe too much? I don't know if I like this, guys.
Here we go.
Okay. So we're primed up. Okay, but the shine in my hair today. Okay. So now, foundation. We have that expensive cheap makeup, okay? So we're gonna go in with my NYX. I used to think it was like New York, but it's not. I like to drop it on my face, but I always people like drop it on the beauty blender, which makes me feel like I'm doing it wrong. And it's just like, I don't know. Like I have a whole lot of makeup for someone who like barely does makeup, but it's also just like, it doesn't really matter that much to me. And it's like, do you know how early you have to wake up to put on all this makeup? Like, no one wants to do that.
Okay, Daeja here from the future, editing this and watching it back. I don't know if I bought the wrong color. Like, I'm light skinned with that foundation on, and I'm trying to figure out what happened. If I just got real dark over the summer, or like, what's up? Because I look crazy. Oh my gosh. I did not know it was that light. Like, I'm sorry, my biggest apologies, but you know, we're gonna keep it moving and keep it stepping.
Hey, did I get darker over the summer? Should have caught that sooner. More NYX. Just fill that right in, boy.
Oh my god!
In there. Like it never happened. Why am I still so shiny? Maybe it's a primer. Will we ever know? Probably not. Will we ever change it? Probably not. Will I use that primer next time? Probably so. Now we're gonna go in with my, look, this is so old, the label is off, like, or maybe, I don't know, it's Maybelline. Don't know what it's called, probably Maybelline Fit Me or something. The only thing good about becoming, if you were to ever like become like a beauty guru on YouTube, even though it's pretty much falling apart now, but you just buy all this expensive makeup and you get it off in your taxes, which honestly is all I want. Just save money in taxes, because I'm done.
I get it, like I'm 12, a junior in college, but you know, it's like, honestly, I need like more refund and less pain.
Cool. Fun. It's actually, you You know, some people like when they put on makeup and they just have like that bland face. It just kind of looks crazy on them. I actually am kind of like digging it. Like, call me crazy, but okay, we have to set some stuff. I use banana powder because I'm brown.
And this whole time I knew it. I knew I was a black girl.
I don't know where I got this from. I think it's from Melania. Don't take my word for it though. Have you guys heard that song Moo by Doja Cat? That might just be like my whole ending credit. Me like ending credits. Hi, welcome to my movie. The whole ending, just me like dancing to that. Because I am like into it. Did I overdo it on the powder? Maybe. But also, who cares? Because we're moving on to eyes. So I have no idea what eye look I'm doing today. But I do know, I think I'm going to use my Morphe palette. Look, Frost. I don't know, guys. What did we go for today? We have all of our BH cosmetic brushes in here. I have not used any of them for eyeshadow yet. So this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be a good time.
So as the base, or whatever you call it, and transition shade, we're doing this right here. Oh no. I hate it.
I'm like not good at this.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
But I mean, who we really trying to impress anyway? Am I right, ladies? But it's like, people, they just like take too much time doing it, and it's like, who are you trying to impress? Like, I know you're trying to keep your viewers or whatever, but I mean, let's just chill out, okay? Let's do like a little black eye look that I have going on here. Who really cares? I may need to break open a new palette. This would be kind of pretty on the lid, huh? Maybe this right here on the lid. Yeah, yeah. Sometimes it's just better to go in with your fingers. So we'll see how this brush does. You may have to. I'm supposed to dab it on there. See, this is what I'm saying. Like, I have no idea why I'm making this video because it's not educational. Like, you're not learning like any certain look. It's just like, it's 10 p.m. at night. I'm bored. It's probably like the most carefree makeup video you've ever seen, but it's also like, oh, that's kind of cute. I was gonna add like another color, but I'm like, let's just go right up in here and just finish it off like that and just do like a 1-2 bang. And is anything happening? Yeah, that's kind of a look. Don't you guys think maybe just a little bit of a look? Okay, so I just looked in the mirror. It looks a little shinier like in this camera than it does like in an actual mirror. So what we do is we just put our finger like this. We just start rubbing it.
Boy, if you don't...
People who don't use their fingers, I don't understand. I mean, like, say you're like trying to contour your face, then like, yeah, like, don't use your fingers. But I'm like, sometimes it just gets the pigment on so much better.
Like, look. Tell me that's not better. My brush, this is a Morphe brush. And I used it, but like, it just didn't pack it on right. Like, maybe I don't know how to, I definitely don't know how to use it. But, you know, am I not gonna get a brand deal now? Are you not gonna be able to use my code anymore? But like, the crease right here looks great. So done with eyes, okay? That's, look, is it blended? Do you need to blend? Is this a blending brush? It's blended. Eyeliner, which is actually the devil. Like, I'm terrible at it. And like, look at my lashes. Like, can you see them?
But they like curl like backwards. Like my eyelashes touch like my lids like curling back. So it's like, it's impossible. So I have to like hold my face out, like lean down, like toot it up, like.
Why is my life harder than everybody else's? I don't know, but I was born this way. This is gonna be impossible. All right, I'm gonna do this off camera. We're back, but we did not wing the liner because who has time for that? Oh, Last Paradise from L'Oreal. All right.
L'Oreal, which is a dupe for Better Than Sex, I think.
Kind of cute. It's kind of a look. I want to do like a mukbang. That's very entertaining. Do you want a sneak peek? Here it is. Hey guys, so today we're gonna be doing a makeup tutorial. We're gonna be using this Morphe palette, Morphe 25. I love that. Like, that's kind of like satisfying, right? Maybe look at ASMR like makeup next. Bet. So after that, let's wipe off the bake. Since we have been baking for 2 weeks and a half. Oh my god, we're so cooked. So cooked. Love that for us. Okay, maybe I baked for too long. Did I change skin colors? I'm no longer a brown girl. She's like a brown girl who's like kind of lighter brown and some spots. She's half red bone. I do like it. Can't say I don't. So now we highlight our BH Cosmetics palette. Just do a little look. Let's go into Radiance and Glow, like do a double look. Here's Radiance. Hey light, hey now, hey now. This is what dreams are made of. Radiance and then Glow down here. We're just gonna do a little dabble into both of them.
I highlight in the right place, you know, like I've watched so many people highlight before, but I never know if I'm like doing it correctly, and like I just keep like putting it on my market, like it doesn't look right to me. If someone could comment whether or not it's in the right place, that'd be fantastic. No, you just like blend it out, because like the glow is so serious.
Literally, because I'm using Glow. I think I'm gonna go back and edit this, and it's just gonna be a mess. The nose though, ew. Okay, that's a lot. We are glowing. It's a lot in the nose. I'm so sorry. Okay, I guess this is the look. I wish I was Jeffree Star and I could do. I'm gonna put my hair down. Okay, so I wish I was Jeffree Star and I could like do all those cool camera angles, but she cannot, cause one, she'd have to get on her laptop and edit and not use her iMovie on her phone, and that sounds like work.
I get money from the pay into the money.
I'm into it. So, as I said, like, makeup's not maybe my best skill, but is it my worst? No, like, I have worse skill. It's kind of cute. Now we're ready for a night out on the town. Yay. Ready for all your Insta baddie pics.
Don't joke about that.
You know what? The more I look at this, the more I'm like,
watch out, Jeffree Star. Like, I'm coming for your gig. Hi, my name's Daeja. I'm coming to be the community star. And I'm gonna take over the YouTube, and then get me as a makeup artist at MUA.
Daeja MUA, that's my name. Alright, thanks for coming.